Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. In this video we will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax's T-BAT charger. We will provide detailed step-by-step instructions to introduce how to charge the batteries with the Solax charger. We kindly request that you take a moment to read the T-BAT charger installation guide. First, let's get started with the introduction of the T-BAT charger. The T-BAT charger is a device for charging Solax's batteries to improve their consistency. It is generally used for charging in the following situations. 1. Some batteries with low SOC values. 2. The SOC value of some batteries is different from that of other batteries. If the battery voltage is too low for the inverter to charge it, we will use forced charging to charge the battery. Let's briefly go over what comes in the package of the T-BAT charger. Now, let's have a look at the physical appearance and dimensions of the T-BAT charger. Familiarize yourself with the location and function of each port before connecting it. Do not connect the cable to the wrong port. The power connectors used to charge different batteries are different. Please carefully identify the right connectors for each battery. For T30 battery V2, use the fourth pair of power connectors. Firstly, insert the charging cable into the AC port. Secondly, insert the communication cable into the CAN port. Finally, insert the power cable into the BAT port. After the connection of the charger, let's connect the battery. From the BMS to T30 battery, the connection is B positive to B positive, B negative to B negative, COM to COM1. Then insert the communication cable into BMS port. Finally, inset the fourth power cable into BAT positive and BAT negative. For T58 master battery, use the third pair power connectors. Firstly, insert the communication cable into BMS port. Then, insert the third pair power connectors into BAT positive and BAT negative. Finally, insert the short power cable into I-plug and negative to make a complete circuit. For T58 slave battery, use the third pair power connectors. When charging the T58 slave battery, use the 485 communication port on the charger. For battery connection, firstly, insert the communication cable into RS485. Then, insert the power connectors into XPLUG and positive. Finally, insert the short power cable into I-plug and negative to make a complete circuit. Turn on the power switch. For T30 battery, switch the circuit breaker to on position, then press the power button. For T58 master battery, turn the dip switch to 0, switch the circuit breaker to on position, then press the power button. On the charger screen, tap Accept. 1. Battery charging state. If the icon is green and the green light cycles, the device is charging. Otherwise, it is not charging. 2. Activation key. If the key snaps and the color shows white, the device will stop charging. If the key is pressed and the color shows yellow, the device will start charging. Tap the activation key to start charging. Before charging, please disconnect the communication cable between the charger and battery. After that, the battery charging parameters will not display on the screen. Firstly, tap the setting. Secondly, tap the forced charging. Finally, tap to set a time limit from 5 minutes to 15 minutes before charging. Tap the activation key to start charging, then you will see the battery icon cycles. In the following circumstances, the forced charging will be stopped.